Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome not loading websites. So if you're facing this issue whereby Google Chrome doesn't load websites, then I'm going to show you how to fix it. Alright, so quick one, click on these three dots in the right upper corner. Now go ahead and look for settings. Once you look for settings, come and click on privacy and security. After that, go ahead and choose delete browsing history or delete browsing data. So guys, why we are deleting this is that in most cases it's because of these cookies and this browsing data that prevents you from loading certain websites. So go ahead and click here on more, then choose all time. Then after choosing all time, click on show more and make sure everything is checkmarked. Everything from cookies, cached images, download history, everything. Then go ahead and click on delete data. Okay, once you click on delete data over here, you then go back and try to load any website of your choice. Trust me, it will then be working smoothly. Otherwise, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.